OMNI bike sharing locks are equipped with IoT functions, the future of secure, convenient, and seamless bike sharing. Its built-in QR code scan to unlock system with GPS tracking system in your vehicles. Users can instantly unlock a variety of vehicles, from bikes, e-bikes, fat tire bikes, and cargo bikes, to scenic four-wheelers. No keys, no hassle. The IoT smart lock ensures your vehicle is secure when not in use. And when users finish riding, say goodbye to traditional bike locks and hello to cutting-edge IoT technology that gives you real-time control, enhanced security, and ultimate peace of mind. OMNI IoT smart locks, bike sharing app, and backend work seamlessly together, creating a powerful synergy for a truly modern mobility experience.